Welcome back. The special court handling the case of first Vice President Dr. Machar was expected to deliver a ruling on Monday, August 17, 2026. The issue before the court was not yet the final judgment on the entire case. Instead, the judges were expected to decide on a request from Dr. Riek Machar's defense team. According to this report, the defense won permission to make its own audio or video recording of the court proceeding. The defense said having an independent recording would help keep an accurate record of what happened inside the courtroom, but the court did not make a decision on Monday. According to this report, the judge postponed the ruling until Wednesday, August 19, 2026. This means the defense and the prosecution will have to wait another 2 days to know the court decision on the recording request. For people following the case, this may look like a small procedural matter, but court records are important, especially in a case involving serious criminal charges and a senior political figure. An independent recording could give the defense another way to review what was said during the proceeding. It could also help lawyers to go back to particular statement, evidence, questioned and answered. However, whether such recording should be allowed is a matter of the judge to decide. So the question was, why did the court delay the ruling? According to the court, the judges were unable to prepare their decision because they were also involved in constitutional panel proceeding. The judge Stephen Simon Binjigwa explained that the session had been scheduled for the court to issue its decision. However, the three-judge panel had other responsibility. Because of those responsibilities, the judges were not able to complete the ruling. This is why the court postponed the matter. The new date is Wednesday, August 19, 2026. So at this point, the court has not rejected the defense request. It has also not approved it. The matter is still before the judges. That distinction is important. A delay does not mean that the court has decided against Dr. Machar lawyers. It simply means the judges need more time before giving their decision. What does the defense want? The defense team has asked the court to allow it to make additional audio or video recording of the proceeding. The basic argument is simple. The defense wants its own record of what takes place in court. Court cases can continue for many days or even months. There can be long discussion between lawyers and judges. Witnesses can ask many questions. Documents can be presented. Because of this, having a reliable record can be important before lawyers who need to review what happened earlier. The defense believes an independent recording could help it keep track of the proceeding. It could also help the lawyer prepare for future stage of the case. But the prosecution has raised objection to part of the defense request. The prosecutor also questioned the procedures used by the defense when filling the application. This means the court now has to consider both sides. The judge will decide whether the defense request should be accepted, rejected, or handled in another way. Well, this is not the final ruling on Dr. Machar. It is important for viewers to understand exactly what happened today. The court did not issue a final judgment in the Dr. Machar case. The court also delayed a ruling concerning the defense request for additional recording. The larger trial is still continuing. Dr. Machar is one of 8 people facing charges in connection with violence in Nasser in Upper Nile State in March 2025. The charges are extremely serious. They include treason, murder, conspiracy, terrorism, destruction of public property, and crimes against humanity. Dr. Machar and the other accused people have denied the charges. This means the allegation remains matter to be determined through the court process. According to prosecution, the case is connected to violence in Nasser in March 2025. The prosecution alleged that forces linked to Dr. Machar, Sudan People Liberation Army in a position commonly known as SPLM, SPLIO, together with members of the Norway Army, attacked a military position in Nasser. The prosecutor said 257 South Sudanese people, Defense Force or SSPDF soldiers, were killed during the attack. They also say General David Majudak, a military commander, was among those killed. The prosecution further alleged that military equipment worth around $15 million was destroyed or taken during the fighting. These are serious allegations. But once again, they are allegations made by the prosecution. Dr. Machar and the other defendants have denied the charges. The court is therefore expected to examine the evidence and argument from both sides. Why is the Machar case important? The case has attracted significant attention because of the position held by first Vice President Dr. Riek Machar. Dr. Machar is not an ordinary political figure. He has been one of the major figures in South Sudan political and military history for many years. The current court case, therefore, has political as well as legal importance. Many South Sudanese are closely watching what happened in the courtroom. Supporters of Dr. Machar are following the proceeding because they want to know how the case will develop. Government supporters are also watching because the charges involve allegation of attack against government forces. For ordinary citizens, the case is important because it is connected to the larger question of accountability and justice in South Sudan. People want to know whether serious allegation will be properly investigated and decided through a legal process. At the same time, many people are concerned about fairness, transparency, and the right of the accused. That is why even procedural issues such as courtroom recording can attract attention. So, why would an independent record matters? Imagine being a lawyer in a case that lasts for many months. Every day, witnesses speak, judge asks questions, lawyer make argument, documents are discussed. Sometimes, one sentence can become very important later. If the defense has its own recording, its lawyers can go back and review the proceeding. They can listen again to what was said. They can compare different parts of the testimony. They can prepare questions and legal arguments more carefully. The defense said this is one reason why it won the additional recording. However, court normally have rules about how proceedings are recorded and who is allowed to make recording. The court must therefore consider whether allowing another recording system would fit within its rules and procedures. That is one of the issues the judges will have to consider. So what happened next? The next important date is Wednesday, August 19, 2026. That is when the judges are expected to give the ruling on the defense request. If the court approves the application, the defense could gain permission to make additional audio or video recording, depending on the condition set by the judges. If the court rejects the request, the defense would have to continue under the existing recording arrangement. The court could also impose conditions on how any recording should be made or used. At this point, we do not know what decision the judge will make. Therefore, it is better to wait for the official ruling rather than make a prediction. Beyond the recording issue, the Dr. Machar trial raised a much larger question. How should South Sudan deal with serious violence and alleged crime committed during period of conflict? For years, the country has experienced political dispute, army conflict, displacement, and loss of life. When serious accusations are made, people often want immediate answers, but the legal process requires evidence. The accused must be given an opportunity to respond. The prosecution must present its case, the defense must be allowed to challenge the evidence, and the judge must make decisions based on the law and the evidence before them. That process can be slow. It can also be frustrating for people who want quick answer, but because the charges are serious, every part of the process matters. Well, if you are new to Changfied YouTube channel, please, I would like you to the channel by subscribing, turn on the notification bell so whenever we upload a new video, you can be notified. Thank you for watching, and bye-bye.